The bobber motorcycle scene is growing, and Jawa has entered the game with the Jawa 42 Bobber. This bike brings a blend of classic styling, modern performance, and affordability, all while keeping that low-slung, muscular bobber appeal. But is it just about looks, or does it have the performance to back it up? Let's find out. Design and styling. One glance at the Jawa 42 Bobber, and it screams retro charm with a modern twist. The single-seat design, chunky rear tire, and wide handlebars give it an aggressive stance. The teardrop fuel tank, spoked wheels, and round LED headlamp add to the vintage appeal. Jawa has paid attention to details with a blacked-out engine and exhaust that enhance its rugged look. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the 334 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine delivers 30.64 PS of power and 32.74 Newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox and features assist and slipper clutch for smooth gear shifts. While it's not the fastest bobber out there, the torquey nature makes it great for relaxed cruising. Ride and comfort. Jawa has tweaked the seat ergonomics to ensure a comfortable riding posture. The suspension setup consists of telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, making it suitable for city rides and highway cruising. The low 740mm seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. Technology and features. Unlike traditional bobbers, the Jawa 42 Bobber comes with some modern tech. It has dual-channel ABS, a digital instrument cluster, and USB charging. The fuel tank also gets a unique offset instrument console, adding to its retro-modern vibe. Price and competition. Priced competitively, the Jawa 42 Bobber offers a budget-friendly alternative to premium bobbers like the Triumph Bonneville Bobber or Harley-Davidson Street Bob. Its main rival in India is the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Bobber. Final verdict. The Jawa 42 Bobber is a stylish, affordable, and fun-to-ride motorcycle that captures the essence of a bobber without breaking the bank. If you love retro aesthetics and want a unique ride with decent performance, this one's worth considering. What do you think about the Jawa 42 Bobber? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. See you in the next one. Ride safe.